Welcome everyone, welcome everyone. This is Zozo StockWatch, and this is your StockWatch list for Tuesday, the 14th of November. And let's go ahead and get right into it for your earnings tomorrow for Tuesday, the 14th. Before they open, you can see we have some names here reporting VBLT, ABCD, CALI, DKS, DQ, that's an oil name. SUNW, SSYS, 3D printing, SSYS, that's 3D printing, and LNG, Chenier. So that's some of the big names, and Click, that's a semiconductor, KLIC. After the bell, you see the names listed here, YRD, BZH, EBIO, Giga, GIGA, Cool, KOOL, and NXTD. So that's some of the names after the bell tomorrow for Tuesday the 14th. For economic information for tomorrow, not too much on our plate tomorrow. 8:30 PPI, and then API crude oil data coming out at 4:30. And then Wednesday is the more important retail sales. So keep in mind on that for the retail sales at 8:30. Let's go ahead and look at the market recap for the from the courtesy of the trade exchange. Call activity, we had TRXC, JD, MU, Mondelez, KSS, PANW, FCX, and RGC. Put activity, XOP, EFX, INCY, CSIQ, and ADI. Some of your top gainers today: CHKE, TST, ROKU, Roku, just nonstop on that Roku, ARGS, NVFY on earnings, Mattel, Takeover Chatter, ASUR, TRXC, CHEF, NVAX, INVN, and GALT to the downside. RTNB, CNTF, CNDX, V-Ray, Macy's, Time Warner, and SSYS 3D printer Stratus. So those were some of your top losers for today. The futures right now, Dow futures down about 11, S&P futures down about 2, NASDAQ futures down about 4. If we go ahead and look at some information that came out after the bell for insider directed purchases, MNK, a lot of insider purchases tonight. XNCR, UFI, PRGX, and IRDM. Some syndicate news. CDTX filed Form S3. Also, KSU filed Form S3. And that's about it for after the bell tonight. And we'll go ahead and get right into the stocks to watch list. So we'll take a quick look at some of the markets. The SPY, basically dip buyers came in again at this 20 SMA around that 257 number here. The low today was 257.27. Buyers came in. The 20 SMA is right around 257.20 for the 20 SMA on the daily chart you're looking at. So nice bounce recovery for the dip buyers again. IBB didn't recover as nicely. We're down at that 310, still holding above the 200 SMA, but the IBB was down about $2 today on the IBB. If we go ahead and look at the Qs, Amazon was doing most of the work today. Qs held up above the 5 EMA on the daily chart here. And let's check out some of the big names. Apple rolling over a little bit. Amazon, popping here today, trying to get over that 1140 spot on Amazon. Tesla popping this afternoon. And also Facebook moving up today, staying under the 10 SMA though on Facebook. So that was a few names. I'm trying to keep this video short and sweet. AMPE will be on watch tomorrow, trying to break out over that 126 spot. So that'll be on watch tomorrow. CAPR, nice pop in this one, a little bit of a pullback, but 6 million shares traded. We'll see if there's anything left on that one. CCIH, nice pop here, trying to get over $1.30, 2.4 million shares. CHKE, nice pop, nice volume. We'll see if this one wants to break out over, that 305 spot, the high today. Craig gave us a very nice trade today in Craig, so this one will be back on watch. GALT, nice pop, trying to take out this $3 spot here on Galt. Glue turning back up, bouncing off the 50 SMA, looking for it to take out the highs from today around 403. HMNY holding this 50 SMA, nice pop into the close today. 7 million shares traded on HMNY. That'll be on watch. INF, INFN, insider director purchases during the afternoon, so that stock popped. So we'll see if that one has any more juice in it. ITEK, nice pop. See if that wants to get over that 3 spot. ITEK, JMEI trying to reverse up off of the 10 and the 50. The high today was 318. The high today on this stock was 318, so maybe 320 might be enough for this JMEI. 1.6 million shares on that name. KNDI, the China names have been moving up. KNDI kind of reversing after this candle down, now turning back up. So looking for it to take out the highs here of the 790. 1.1 million shares traded. KNDI. Luna, after the bell, had earnings. It was popping a little bit, so we'll see. Not a lot of volume in this stock, so not too happy, not happy, but not too interested in this one. But since it did this pop after the bell on the earnings, we'll see if it comes into play. MARK also popping after earnings, pulling back a little bit, but holding this 4 spot on MARK mark. So we'll see if that one sets up tomorrow. MOSI, this is an under $1 name, had a pop after their earnings release. I think they beat by like 30 cents or so. So nice pop there, a little bit of a pullback. We'll see if that one wants to be in play tomorrow. NVAX, nice turn up here and trying to get back over 125 on NVAX. Next up, we have OPHT. Trying to get over 325 on this name, 2.8 million shares, OPHT. We'll see if this one wants to get moving tomorrow. RWLK, Real Walk Robotics. This one got a nice pop, 1.3 million shares, still stuck under this 200 SMA. So just be aware of that. It's a very low volume. You can see this kind of a barcode chart here on RWLK. So we'll see on that one. TCON popped after the bell and then pulled back. So not as interesting as it was when it was, moving up. So we'll see. Not a favorite. TEUM had earnings after the bell. They popped it up to about $1.04. So we'll see what that one wants to do tomorrow. TRXC, see if there's any kind of continuation in this name. The high today was $3.30. So we'll see if it wants to set up for us intraday. VUZI, nice pop here. Volume a little bit light. But after the bell, it got up to about 620. So we'll see on VUZI. WKHS. Turning back up, trying to get over $3, closed at 294. So this one will be on watch. And WPCS also will be on watch. Nice candle here. See if it has any kind of continuation for tomorrow. And if we get over that $1.70, $1.75 spot, WPCS. All right, that's the watch list for tomorrow. Short and sweet. And we'll see you at zozostockwatch.com. Come visit us and come learn to trade. Come trade with us, swing trade with us. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great night.